In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a white background in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly using the transparency grid feature. This is one of the easiest ways to check if your background is truly transparent, especially if you're preparing logos, graphics, or illustrations for export. If you've ever saved a file thinking the background was removed, only to see white appear again, this video will clear that up for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Adobe Illustrator file. You can do this by launching Illustrator and going to File, then Open, and selecting the file you want to work on. Once your design is open, take a look at your artboard. Many times, what looks like a white background is actually just the artboard color and not an actual white object. Now here's the key step. Go to the top menu and click on View. In the drop-down menu, look for the option called Show Transparency Grid. Click on Show Transparency Grid. As soon as you click it, you'll see a gray and white checkerboard pattern appear behind your artwork. This checkerboard pattern represents transparency. If you only see the checkerboard behind your design elements, that means your background is already transparent and there is no white background object there. However, if you still see a solid white shape covering the entire artboard, even after enabling the transparency grid, that means there is actually a white rectangle or object sitting behind your design. In that case, click on the white area with the selection tool. If it highlights with anchor points around it, that confirms it's a separate object. Simply press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. After deleting it, you should now see the checkerboard transparency grid behind your artwork. That means the white background has been successfully removed. If you don't see the transparency grid anymore and want to toggle it back, just go to View again and click Hide Transparency Grid. You can switch between showing and hiding it anytime to check your work. One important thing to remember is that Illustrator artboards are transparent by default. The white you normally see is just a preview. So in many cases, you don't actually need to remove anything. You just need to confirm transparency using the Show Transparency Grid option. Before exporting your file, especially as a PNG, make sure your background is transparent by keeping the grid visible as a final check. Then go to File, Export, Export As, choose PNG, and in the export settings, make sure background color is set to transparent. And that's it. That's how you remove a white background in Adobe Illustrator using the Show Transparency Grid feature. It's quick, simple, and ensures your artwork is truly transparent. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.